In a quaint forested town, hidden away from the hustle and bustle of the world, a young boy named Alex, his faithful dog Buddy, and their loyal metallic companion Robo discover an ancient lamp. With curiosity and a touch of trepidation, the trio carefully brushes off the moss from the lamp and rubs it gently, unleashing an ethereal glow and a magical genie. The genie stands before them, revealing a wise smile and promising to grant each of them a single wish, their hearts aflutter with excitement. Alex's voice rings out with fervor as he wishes to become a strong, grown man, envisioning the power and independence that awaits him. As his wish is granted, Alex's body morphs into that of a grown man, but beneath the strength he finds himself lost, longing for the simplicity and innocence of his childhood. Robo expresses his wish to become wise and knowledgeable, yearning to understand the intricacies of the world and human nature. The genie grants Robo's wish, filling his robotic mind with an infinite wealth of wisdom. However, as he delves deeper into the complexities of existence, he feels a weight of responsibility he never anticipated. Buddy's wish is uncomplicated. With a wag of his tail, he asks for a giant bone to chew on. Yet, as he gnaws at the colossal bone, he discovers that material possessions can never truly satisfy the longing for genuine contentment. Alex's eyes flicker open, his body returned to its youthful form. He realizes that the transformative experiences were nothing but a dream, a vivid reminder that the most valuable treasures lie within the present moment. The three friends huddle close, their hearts brimming with newfound gratitude. They understand that personal accomplishments and material possessions pale in comparison to the enduring bond they share, choosing to treasure each precious moment. With spirits lifted and a deeper understanding, Alex, Buddy, and Robo embark on their next adventure, embracing the journey ahead with resilience, compassion, and an unyielding appreciation for the power of connection. In the vibrant tapestry of life, the three friends revel in the beauty of the world around them, understanding that the most profound narratives are crafted not through personal achievements alone, but through the relationships nurtured along the way.